Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about a program that I've been with for a year now, and I've been having some major success. And as you can see with the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing some proof and give you information about this program, and just letting you know how it can help your business, because a lot of people have business opportunities that they're in where they're not producing enough results. They're not getting traffic and leads to their business, and they need help with that. And I'm going to show you how this opportunity can actually help you to drive more traffic and leads to your to the business that you're currently promoting. Okay, so the name of the program that I'm in is called the Power Lead System, and the Power Lead System has been around for like 10 years, paying every single week. And this system has allowed me to learn how to drive traffic and generate commissions on a weekly basis. And what I love about this is that it's newbie friendly and it's duplicatable. Okay, so what I want to do right now is, I have a balance of $1,237 that I can deposit into my account, and I'm going to go ahead and do so. We get paid every single Wednesday, either by direct deposit or a debit card. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go into transfer funds, hit this button, and the funds will be transferred directly into my account within 1 to 3 business days. It normally happens within 48 hours, but you know that it's typical around 1 to 3 days every single week. Okay, so far with this system, I've been generating weekly commissions that has allowed me to pretty much live without punching a clock. And what I love about it is that because the system is duplicatable, I've been able to teach others exactly how to do the same. So I just went into my bank account. This is my account, Amanda A. Wray. That's me. And what I'm gonna do is show you the way that the payments come in and how frequently they come in. And like I said, it all depends on, you getting involved, getting it as high as you can. There's different levels, and we're going to discuss that. And then what I do is give you the traffic generation strategies that I use weekly that allows me to bring consistent commissions. So right here for 1 week, I had $934. For 1 week, $1,242. Here is another week, $2,324. Another week of $912. $3,545 here. $691. This is $4,000. This is for a total of 2 weeks. And then we have $4,000 here, over $4,000, and that's a total of 2 weeks. So as you can see, the commissions are consistent. With the Power Lead System, there are 4 different levels that you can get involved in. The gold being the lowest, which I tell people you get what you pay for. It's $20 residual commissions, but that's not going to really allow you to free yourself from your job, just earning $20 over and over again. It'll just take more time to build up. It's a $53 monthly fee. You have the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147. That's going to get you unlimited $100 commissions. At the platinum level, it's $497 one-time fee, giving you unlimited $400 commissions. The Master Traffic Institute is a one-time payment of $1497, giving you unlimited $1,000 commissions. Okay, so when you come in at the higher levels, I will set up the funnel for you, and also the people that join you as well, I'll set up their funnels as well. It normally takes me within 1 to 2 days to set that up. You just start driving traffic, and this become a lead magnet that allows you to generate consistent commissions. Okay, here in April, I had made almost $8,000 for the month. Okay, in May, $6,000 for the month. And then as you can see here in June, over $10,000 for the month. So it's really consistent. I've been earning since like the second week that I joined the program, and my consistency have been steady ever since I've gotten involved. So if you want more information, you want to get started, you can subscribe to my channel. In the description is the information to join the business or to reach out to me if you have any more questions before you get started. And I'm here to inspire people and let people know that they can work from home. They can have a full-time business. You just need to have the right program, a sponsor to help guide you through the steps that it takes to start generating the income, and you need traffic. I'm able to provide all of those to you when you get started. So thanks again for watching my video. Have a great week, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.